Well, I just wanted to show you my sunflowers. This is my sunflowers that I planted in the ground. I'll show you the other ones in just a second. The ones that are in the grow bags. They're just starting to bloom. Blooms aren't huge yet, but the sunflowers themselves, 6, 7, 8, 9, they're at least 9 or 10 feet tall. There's a T-post that's about 4 feet right there. So that gives you a little bit of perspective. They are up there. Leaves are huge. Look at that leaf. I mean, that is some huge. I can't even hardly get it in the picture. Huge leaves. So these are big ones. I didn't realize they made multiple heads. I thought they just put a flower head on top, but the stems are all, gosh, they've got 10 or 15 heads on them, some of them. So this is gonna be pretty cool to look at. Let me walk over there real quick. Just keep the video running while I walk. And these are the ones that are in the grow bags. And those opened up sooner. Could be because they're under a little more stress, in that sometimes this tub runs out of water. It's out right now. I watered it yesterday morning, filled it up yesterday morning. They suck them dry. They suck them dry in just 8 or 10 hours. But now that flower head right there is probably 9, maybe 10 inches across, something like that. Beautiful. And anyway, just want to show you how they're doing in the grow bags as well as in the ground. There's the ones in the ground right there, and they are majestic. So these are the American hybrid sunflower. Giant American hybrid sunflower, I think they're called. And they are giant, and they are all American, and you get them at Hoss Tools. So just want to show you this. It's pretty doggone cool. I've grown a few in the past. In fact, I've got some over here that came from passed through my beans. If you don't know what these are, watch my video on growing yard long beans, because that's what those are. Now this one here, when we had that big rain, it got full of rain, and I didn't dump it out, and got a couple of them that died. But and I kind of left them alone for a while because I thought they was gonna all die, and they didn't. So here they are. These are not near as big as the other ones because these haven't been taken care of as well as the other ones. These right here are the George Washington's sunflowers from Mount Vernon. One of them is praying. I'll leave him alone right now. But the rest of them are standing pretty tall. This one doesn't look so good. I don't know what the deal is, but they're getting plenty of water. I don't know what it is. Anyway, that one's just about to bloom. It's 4 feet tall. These don't get very big. These are 4 feet. That one's about 3.5 feet tall. That one's about 4.5 feet tall, probably. But the rest of the garden, I mean, is just earth boxes. Oh my gosh. And now I got to show you in another video. I'll show you my trombone squash, and I'll show you my other stuff. But that's another video. I want to show you these, and you see how everybody else is doing on the great American Sunflower Showdown. Mine are looking pretty doggone good. Pretty doggone good. I'm gonna win this, dude. All right, that's it. We're gone.